What is going on, guys? Sam Tik here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to get followers on TikToks for free. It's 100% working, and this is the only way it's working right now, and I'll be showing you step by step. Stick around to the video. The first thing you have to do is you're gonna open TikTok. After you open TikTok, all you're gonna do is just click to me or your profile, and it should be your profile, and all you're gonna click is edit profile, and you have to change your name to following back. If you don't do this, you have to do this. It's not gonna work if you didn't do this. And just go back and go to the search bar right now and search up any celebrities like Charlie D'Amelio or Adesanya. It works. And just go there and follow them. Go follow her and follow the suggested accounts. They get over 1 million followers every single day, and people think they're gonna get follow back, and they follow you, and that's how you get the followers. And that's enough. Let's go to another like famous people. Adesanya. Follow her and follow the suggested accounts. Okay, I think that's enough. If you want more followers, you have to like follow lots of like famous peoples. Now just go back to your account. You can see I already get 2 followers. Now all you have to do is just click following and start unfollowing them. Just unfollow them, follow them, unfollow them, and follow them. The more you do, the more you get followers. It's your choice. And this can get you over 100 followers every single day if you do this. And now all you have to do is just follow them. Follow them. Okay. Okay, almost done. Okay, I'm done now. All I have to do is just go back. Don't even go to your profile. Just get out from the app and get in one more time. And you should see the followings. You can see how I get over 5 followers just by doing this. And this works 100%. I was at 85. Now I'm on 90. It works 100%. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And peace.